This is, of course, very exciting for us to be announcing today. So fundamentally, what we have been doing undercovers for a while now, a good 6 to 8 months, we've been doing this with the CIQ team is, we're trying to build a model where customers can use Rocky Linux on the GCP platform. And should they have any issues from a support point of view, they can just lift the phone up and call Google, and we will work to support customers running Rocky on GCP or Google Cloud, and treat the support experience just as we would with any other first-party service. And I'll let Daniela sort of explain a little bit more in detail as to what that entails. So that's kind of like the primary thing we're announcing today. So, and the big value proposition for customers is that now they can run with full confidence on the platform, Rocky Linux, and bring their workloads onto the platform. And for those folks who are considering, moving away from CentOS and looking for an option, they can rest assured that this is a very, very, well-supported experience on the platform. Of course, from a support point of view, we're sharing this exciting news today. But we have a lot more that we're working on the product side as well that we'll be able to share in the next few minutes. Daniela, do you want to maybe give a quick a detailed view on what the support engagement may look like for customers?
Of course. And just plus one to everything you said, Venkat. Like you mentioned, we want customers to know that we will be providing a Google and CIQ backed support experience for Rocky Linux. And what that means is that if a customer has a problem with their Rocky Linux that they're running on GCE, they'll be able to contact Google like they do for first-party products right now, and we'll take it from there. Essentially, we'll engage with CIQ as needed. And the reason we're doing this is because we want our customers to be comfortable and to, be excited about really using Rocky Linux and make sure they're able to get the most out of it and have the most world-class experience that they can.
So Greg, from a Rocky perspective, why is this so exciting?
Oh goodness! So first off, this is exciting. Not just from a Rocky perspective. I think every perspective is super cool.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to kind of describe this from the community standpoint first and foremost. What we've seen over the years is we've seen open source projects kind of come and go, and we've seen them being led by various companies and led by various organizations. But I think I would really focus on what makes an open source project stable. And what we need right now is stability in that foundational operating system piece. What makes it stable is not just having a single company behind that operating system. It's having a whole group, a community of individuals, of organizations, of companies, even competing organizations if we can, and pull everything together. And then by pulling everybody together and having that single unified commitment to that open source project, we're able to create this massive amount of stability in that project itself. And that was really our goal with what we started off trying to do and trying to solve with Rocky. And so this partnership and this collaboration, both in terms of the community and open source space, as well as now the value we can bring to that community and to customers, is just so incredibly exciting. Because what this keys in on is we can now take from the Google Cloud platform all the way up through that platform, through the operating system, to the end user customer experience. The entire thing is now supported. It is now a single unified solution. And because of that, again, it's phenomenal. So this partnership is really just first in class, customer first, which, one more point, if you don't mind me hugging the mic.
Absolutely.
It really unifies this shared vision that we have with CIQ and Google in terms of solving problems and a commitment to customers and customers first. And because of that, from the very first moment we started talking and collaborating on this, that alignment really is what just drove this commitment to bringing this forth to customers.